Taking a full look at weather now, Weather Authority Chief Meteorologist Dan Cianca. We were just talking about your calendar that you put together. I'm excited to see it.
Oh yeah, we put some weather photos from across the year during the course of the year out there. Just something I give to my family members. But one other thing to talk about though, it is Thursday. It's Drought Update Thursday. Let's take a look at what is going on out there tonight, and no changes. So it didn't get worse. That's good news. Across the state, things are the same as they were last week. 28% of the state still an exceptional drought, but about 3 months ago, 46% of the state was an exceptional drought. So we've seen some decrease in drought, which is nice. We will take that. And of course, we had some rain this morning. It was light rain and certainly beneficial rain, but not drought busting rain by any means. Here locally, we remain extreme drought for our viewing area, with the far eastern fringes in exceptional droughts. Now, that rain is already pushed out. It's bringing some snow to the central Rockies, the Colorado Plateau, to the Grand Canyon, and then down into the Colorado River Valley down south, and behind it, cold, dry air is pushing into the region. Now, this is going to be temporary, this dry air, because we've got a train of weather systems that's going to start working its way in come this weekend. So I want to give you a sneak preview of that, because that's going to be the biggest weather maker for a while. And the first one's going to get here on Sunday, probably late in the day. The model shows at 11 or 10 a.m., but I think it'll be more like afternoon hours before we start seeing anything from it. Now, what you can expect from this one is a cold front just kind of getting here. Might bring a little light rain with it, and then just kind of like hanging out, just kind of get stuck along the coast. So we'll probably see some rain with it and probably some wind as well. The winds will start picking up. But what's going to happen is things are kind of loading up behind it. We start getting this big push of upper level moisture, an atmospheric river, if you will, and it's just going to sit over this frontal system, which is stalled here. And by the time we're already into Monday morning, it's still sitting right over us. And we've got a reinforcing blow of moisture rolling in, which is going to mean the potential for some moderate to heavy rain on Monday morning. And along with that, the winds are going to pick up. So Monday looking like a big action day for us here on the Central Coast, with moderate to heavy rainfall, especially in those coastal mountains, and gusty winds. Now, this could be a storm that will have some similarities to what we saw in late October. So some heavy rainfall possible. I'm expecting the potential for some minor flooding, nothing crazy, but low areas that don't drain all that well. Certainly could see some issues there. Ponding on the roadways will certainly be a possibility. And with all of the burn scars here locally, there is always going to be that threat of debris flows, especially with some heavy rainfall rates possible. Now, here's the issue with this system. It's going to stick around for a while. We'll see another reinforcing blow of rain come in behind it. That's going to last into Monday evening, and then behind it will destabilize a bit Tuesday, which could mean additional showers, maybe even some thunderstorms, and the snow levels really dropping, perhaps down as low as 3,000 feet. So some cold air packed with that, but we're not done yet. But wait, there's more. More chances of rain coming in later on in the week, with several more systems pointing at us by the latter portion of next week. So plenty of rain to watch out for. It's going to start getting pretty busy after it's been pretty quiet for a while. In the meantime, I mentioned some cool temperatures to talk about. Our nighttime cloud tracker is showing some low cloud cover out there, but it's starting to dissipate a little bit as the dry air filters in. And that's going to mean a chilly night overnight for us as temperatures drop down into the 40s for many locations as we wake up tomorrow morning. So we're watching for some cooler temperatures tomorrow morning, and we'll get to those temperatures for you here and talk about how chilly it's going to get. As we look forward, temperatures down into the low 40s even on the coast as we head toward that dawn time. And as we look at our temperature or FUTURECAST tomorrow, you're going to see mostly clear skies tomorrow morning and then lasting throughout the day tomorrow. Lots of clear skies. You'll have some sunshine tomorrow, but a cold air mass in place is going to mean for some chilly temperatures for us. All right, let's get to those temperature forecasts now. We're going to start up in Santa Cruz County, and you're going to see those lows dipping into the mid-30s overnight in the Santa Cruz mountain valleys with some patchy frost possible. We'll see highs returning to the 50s tomorrow, but not much warmer than that. So patchy frost, Santa Cruz mountain valleys, but I'm not expecting widespread frost across the region. As we look forward now, we're seeing temperatures down onto the east shore of the bay into the 30s overnight as well, mid-30s into our northern inland valleys, highs back in the 50s. So another cool day out there for us. As we look at the Monterey Peninsula, we're going to see lows in the upper 30s to low 40s, but highs back only in the 50s tomorrow. So another cool day for you. Down south, we'll see low temperatures in the low 30s with patchy frost in our southern valleys, mid-30s up in the Salinas Salinas Valley, and highs only in the 50s. Now, tomorrow morning's temperatures will actually get colder on Saturday morning. So Saturday morning will be the coldest of the next 7 days. Of course, we are watching for those rain chances starting on Sunday, rain and wind, stormy conditions into early next week. That is going to be what we experience most of next week. In inland areas, after a cold morning on Saturday, we're going to be dealing with a lot of rain, I think, starting Sunday. So make sure to stay tuned to our forecast, and we'll keep you up to date on what you can expect moving forward.
All right, keep those sweaters and jackets out. Thank you, Dan.